Dobro Jutro, Divine Pisces, 222. It is Thursday, June 11th, 2020. I'm going to do a daily message from Spirit today. I have no words. I have no words. I don't. I have no words for any of the things that are happening right now. Honestly, a lot of it's just giving me a massive headache. I'm just like, I can't deal today. Like, there's just too much stress around me. Can we not have stress? Can we all just take a chill pill? Can we all just chill out, talk, work it out? Just, have a nice come to Jesus moment or whatever it is you believe in. Because there are days where I'm just like, I legit don't think people really understand the magnitude of, like, the consequence of their actions and the things that they do and the energy they put out and, the whole idea that you get what you give. Is right. Anyway, enough of the diatribe. Yeah. Well, I mean, honestly, a lot of it is serving a purpose right now. I feel like a lot of us really are literally being reborn right now. We are rebirthing a new age, number one. Number two, I mean, we're talking serious end of an era. There's so much change that's happening this year. Like, it's bound to be permanent. A lot of it is bound to be permanent, okay? But as individuals, okay, it's basically sparking us to reinvent ourselves, changing our perspective, changing the way we view things, understanding, okay, the whole idea of you get what you give, okay? A lot of people waking up this year because of that. Like, they're just waking up. They're seeing the crap for what it is. They're seeing through the illusions. They're calling people out on their ish. Okay, and that's a good thing. That's a good thing. The world itself right now is repeating a major cycle. All you got to do is look at history and look at what's happening now. It's the same. It's a repeating cycle. Okay, because why? The world is clearing karma. We're clearing some major karma right now. Okay, so right now I feel like, what this is doing, a lot of people, they're kind of stepping into their creative selves, trying to problem solve, trying to figure out how to fix the situation, but not just to fix the situation, but to fix oneself, literally, to change oneself. How do I change myself from within? How do I use what I know and use my gifts to help a cause that I believe in, or to help raise the vibration, so a lot of people stepping into mission, literally, and some people who aren't as awakened don't really understand that that's what they're doing, but that's what, what's happening right now is pushing a lot of people that way. They're losing their jobs, being furloughed, they're whatever. So it's like they're basically being pushed to step into a different role and to let go of what is gone, to let go of the things that didn't work out, to let go of the resentment and the anger and the pain, okay? And to move forward, okay? And to use that energy in a positive way, okay? To strategize, basically, to figure out your next move, okay? Because instead of sitting there in anger and frustration and pain, it's like we're taking that energy and moving it forward, and that's a good thing, okay? So a lot of people doing that, there are some people who are still stuck in that cycle, but I feel just in general kind of a movement of positivity happening, and that's a good thing. It's a good thing, okay? No more of this sitting unfulfilled, no more of this sitting in defeat, okay? Wanting to get out of that, basically, releasing the karma that's coming up, releasing the guilt, releasing the resentment, okay, the anger, and forgiveness coming in very, very strongly, okay? So love basically kind of coming back into the picture here. I feel like a lot of conclusions happening, definitely. And some of us just need to take some time to kind of looking for? Recharge. Because it's been a very draining year so far. It's been a very, very draining year, but I definitely feel some major changes coming, okay? And it may be chaotic, okay, for a while, so keep that in mind. Keep yourself nice and balanced, okay? But just remember to bring love into the situation, all right? And look at the bigger picture. Look at what's happening. Look at the changes that are happening. Look at the the way that we are evolving, okay? And try to stay in that positive energy as much as possible, because honestly, the world needs it right now, okay? There's so much negativity going on, that it's just kind of dragging the entire world down right now. Like, I feel like a major explosion, maybe not literally, but like figuratively, about to happen, okay? All right, guys. I hope this has helped. If it has, please like, share, subscribe. And I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.